Welcome to An Traveler. There are places the world forgets, and in that forgetting, they become something else entirely. Timeless, untouched. This park in Miskolc isn't marked on postcards. No name, no signs, just whispers in the wind and petals walking from slumber. Trees stretch skyward like ancient sentinels, their blossoms spilling secrets with every breath. The air hums with quiet magic, as if the earth itself exhales in color. Here nothing is familiar, yet everything feels similar. This is not a place you find. It's a place that finds you in the bloom of the unexpected. Tucked away like a secret whispered by the wind, this mysterious park beckons lovers and dreamers alike. Towering green trees sway gently above winding paths, while magnolia blossoms unfurl their petals in a slow, fragrant dance. Soft pinks and creamy whites glowing under the filtered sunlight. Every step feels like a page turned in a love story yet to be written, and every corner hides a thought waiting to bloom. And rising above it all, a strange towering sentinel. Echoes of the Eiffel Tower, perhaps. If Paris had been rewritten in a language only Hungarian understands, still and silence reaching into sky. Then there is this monument, memory. A rectangular colossus built with no explanation, standing like a riddle carved in concrete. A misplaced Roman arena, a relic of some forgotten vision. No signs, no stories, only questions. And just when you think you've seen it all, Miskolc leads the while. Rolling hills, scattered spires, a city stretching into horizon, quietly defying expectation. This hidden park floats above the city's heartbeat, clothed in shadows and wandering clouds. Winding paths lead you through towering trees, where every step feels like a page from a love story. At its edge, the view opens a breathtaking skyline dressed in gold and silver, sparkling like it knows you are watching. It's the kind of place where silence feels like music, and stolen glances become unforgettable moments. In this forgotten corner of Hungary, wonder still hides in plain sight. You only have to look. In the heart of the hidden park, I silently stroll, camera in hand, ready, angles on point. Every leaf crunch beneath my feet is a potential hit, every sunbeam a golden filter from the heavens. I am just not only walking, oh no, I am manifesting virality. And as I feel my cinematic pan of the trees, after retaking it 4 times because a bug flew into frame, I dream of millions of likes, a flood of subscriptions, and comments like Queen of the Content. And this park never looked so iconic. So my modest 6 subscribers will become a fan army. My mom will stop watching on loop just to boost views. And YouTube will beg me for collabs. A star is born. Or at least uploaded. Stay tuned for more. Thank you for watching. Please support my new channel. Put a like, a nice comment, a warm hug, and subscribe. I will be inviting you for many more journeys if this dog will stop barking actually until I am talking to you. Have a nice day and peace from Ukraine. Stay tuned for more. Yours and Traveler. Bye bye.